Coronavirus cases continue to rise in Maharashtra. The state reported 15,051 cases on Monday. This is the fourth consecutive day that Maharashtra has now reported more than 15,000 cases. The Union Health Secretary has meanwhile written to the Maharashtra Chief Secretary calling for strengthening of containment strategies. In fact, the letter also states that measures such as night curfews and lockdowns have very limited impact on containing transmission. Now, this comes after the Uddhav Thackeray government on Monday issued fresh COVID guidelines. As per the new norms, hotels, restaurants and theatres will operate at 50% capacity only. There is no permission for political, social and religious gathering. Only 50 people will be allowed to attend weddings and 20 people can attend funerals. Any violation will attract heavy penalties.
मुंबईमध्ये लॉकडाऊनची शक्यता मी कुठेही म्हटलेलो नाही. त्याचं कारण असं आहे की मुंबईमध्ये लॉकडाऊन कधी करावा याचे काही निकष आहेत. पण हे नक्कीच आहे की मुंबईमध्ये महानगरपालिकेमध्ये 20 लाख लोकांना फाईन केलं मास्क नाही या कारणाने आणि 42 कोटी रुपये यामधून जमा झालेले आहेत.
Now let me quickly cut across to Mustafa Sheikh reporting live from CST Mumbai. Mustafa, Mumbai coming out with fresh curbs to lock the spread of the infection. We're looking at several districts in Maharashtra now going through fresh round of lockdown, like Nagpur, a complete lockdown. Take us through the actual measures taken by the Maharashtra government to ensure that this spike is curbed. We're looking at least 60% of COVID cases in the country being contributed by Maharashtra alone.
Yes, and Nabila, in spite of having highest cases, the question before the government is, can they impose lockdowns or night curfew, which the center is advising against, because people really seem to be frustrated and they want to really go out and work. So there is a catch-22 situation for the state government. On one hand, the cases are rising not only in the city like Mumbai, but there are small cities in Maharashtra where the cases are rising. At the same point of time, they can't impose strict restrictions. So what will be the BMC's stand? Will they go with the containment plan? Will that work, and how much of an effort that would be on the state government and on BMC? So the Chief Minister is having meetings after meetings to decide what should be the step forward, because since last 3 weeks he has been giving stern warnings of lockdown, but yet the cases are rising. It seems like the weddings which are happening, there are large scale gatherings which are happening, those will be on the hit list of the government first in terms of restrictions. But will the religious places be shut down again in Mumbai and Maharashtra? Will the local train in Mumbai, which is considered to be a lifeline, will be stopped again for all passengers and only be open to the health workers? These are questions before the citizens which are making them uneasy.
Absolutely.
As to what will be the next
in
step.
that case, the Maharashtra government has to come clean and clear on that. We're looking at the government now taking some measures, but yet people are a little confused in exactly how far and how much of this lockdown will affect daily life. Thank you, Mustafa, for joining us. Now, let's quickly cut across to all those curbs that the Maharashtra government has now put in place owing to the spiraling cases of COVID-19. Theatres, hotels, restaurants, we're looking at only 50% capacity henceforth owing to the cases now, case rise. Masks that are now made compulsory. It was always compulsory. It's now strictly implemented. We're looking at strict temperature monitoring at every entry point. Hand sanitizers, a must. Again, like I said, these are precautions that are already taken in place. It's going to be strictly implemented. Any violation will attract penal action. We're looking at several officers to enforce social distancing rules there strictly in place. If they are found, anyone found there flouting those rules, they will be cracked down on. Public gatherings, ban on social, political, religious gatherings there. If at all violated, property and that premises will be shut immediately. 50 allowed at weddings only, and 20 people allowed at funerals alone. Here are a series of guidelines that have been put in place in Maharashtra, and it appears the government is now strictly looking at penalizing those flouting those rules.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.